Why you're always broke, even with a job. Why do so many people live paycheck to paycheck? In this video, we explain the real reasons people stay broke, even with stable income, and how to break the cycle. Most people believe being broke is about income. It's not. Millions of people earn good money and still feel stressed about finances. In this video, you'll learn the real reasons people stay broke and how to escape the cycle. Most people live paycheck to paycheck, not because they are lazy, but because their entire system is fragile. One missed paycheck, one emergency, and everything collapses. The problem is not money. It's structure. When income increases, spending follows. This is lifestyle inflation. You don't feel richer, you just feel normal, at a higher cost. More money didn't fix the problem. It upgraded it. Most people don't have a money plan. They have habits. Habits decide everything. Quietly, every month. If you don't control habits, habits control your money. You don't need more income first. You need margin. Margin is the gap between earning and spending. Even 5% saved creates breathing room. Wealth starts where pressure ends. Being broke is not a personal failure. It's a design flaw. Fix the system, and the results follow.